Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a user from Kali Linux. So open Kali Linux, then right click on desktop, open terminal. Now you should get root access from Kali Linux. Type sudo su for getting root access. Now enter your root password. And now we could get root access from Kali Linux. Now type the command cat space dash d colon space dash f1 space slash etc slash passwd, then click enter. Now you see all the list of users in your Kali Linux. Now I want to remove user 1. To remove a user, type user delete space dash r space and type username. I want to remove user 1. Then click enter. Now I want to see all the users list. I type cat space dash d colon space dash f1 space slash etc slash passwd, then enter. Now you see there is no user 1. The user 1 deleted. If you get message like your username is currently used by the process number, first you have to kill the process by typing kill space dash 9 process number, then you can delete that user. So guys, we could delete a user from our Kali Linux. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.